Good evening. You're watching the Urban Debate here with me, Aarti Subramaniam. The Prime Minister reviewed the COVID-19 pandemic situation of the country, focusing on the preparedness in wake of the rise of cases that have been fueled by Omicron. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has instructed adequate healthcare infrastructure be ensured at a district level and an acceleration for the vaccine drive of teens. The Prime Minister has also said that a meeting with the Chief Ministers will be convened to discuss state-specific scenarios, best practices and a public health response. Remember, India has recorded a one-day spike of 1.6 lakh cases, and the numbers are only expected to rise, especially, in fact, in metro cities. The ICMR now has said that the new curve may peak soon, but will also ebb equally fast. That is, the ICMR is expecting the curve to flatten within 3 months of a surge in particular areas. While India has already expanded its vaccination drive to include teenagers, we will be rolling out our booster dose or the precautionary dose from Monday, starting with frontline workers, healthcare workers, and senior citizens. But how helpful is this phased-out booster strategy in tackling the fresh surge? And is India prepared? Dr. Soumitra Rawat, member of the National COVID Task Force, joins us. Dr. Rawat, good evening. Thanks so much for speaking to Mirror Now. There are a lot of people perhaps who are going to be wondering, should we go in for the booster dose? There is a lot of hesitancy. There is a lot of discussion and debate about this in several countries. What would your advice to them be?
I think thanks a lot for inviting me. The booster dose is going to be really good, especially for the healthcare and frontline worker and the people who are more than 60 years of age with comorbidity. So what booster dose does it increases the efficacy of the vaccine. We have seen in UK also, after the booster dose, the efficacy goes up to 80 to 90%, and there is a jump in the efficacy of the vaccine by about 20-30%. So booster dose is really important, and I'm glad that we have started giving booster dose from tomorrow.
Okay, Dr. Rawat, now there is, again, I think that's good advice, in fact, to listen to all those who are still considering, who are perhaps still on the fence regarding this booster program. But abroad, and especially in the US and the UK, there is a different vaccine which is being administered as the booster dose. In India, we've decided to go ahead and stick with the original administered vaccine, be it Covishield or Covaxin. Your thoughts on that?
I think if you look at the study from Oxford, in the Oxford, they have used the same, which is similar to Covishield by AstraZeneca, and the response is pretty good. And as you could see in India, out of all the doses which the adult population has received, 88 to 89% of the vaccine is, Covishield. Covaxin is only 11%. So a booster dose of the same is going to be really good. And in due course of time, we are doing the study locally also to have a look at the vaccine from different platforms. And hopefully in next couple of weeks or within a month, we will get a results of those studies which we are doing locally. But at the moment, which I will tell to everyone, who is eligible for booster dose, that you should take the booster dose. And the people who are hesitant to take the second dose also, I will request them to take the second dose of the vaccine.
Yes, I think vaccine hesitancy and complacency, I think these are two big hurdles in India's vaccination program. A lot of people are still on the fence whether they should take the vaccine, especially the second vaccine. But of course, since the numbers are rising, it is only advisable and recommended, as Dr. Rawat is also explaining, for us to go ahead and take that. Just one final question, Doctor. India is approaching this in a phased manner. Much like the initial rollout of our vaccination program, we're first looking at healthcare workers and frontline workers, then senior citizens. Is this the right way to go about it, given the huge spike that we're seeing? Would a more consolidated, universal rollout perhaps have been better advised?
I think it's important to see how much vaccine we are producing at the moment. At the moment, we are producing roughly about 31 crore vaccine a month. I think in next 1 or 2 months' time, we will start producing about 50 crores of vaccine in a month. Then we will be able to cater everyone. But what we are doing is absolutely right, that we are giving to our adolescent, age between 15 and 17, and we are giving booster to the frontline and healthcare worker, and also to the people who are above 60 and who has got a comorbidity. If you combine all this, and also if you combine the people who are, adult population who need second dose, they will all combine and join roughly about 20-25 crore of vaccine. Hopefully, we should be able to cover our adolescent soon, and we can drop the age bar from 12 to 15 in due course of time. So I think this phased one, I think is pretty good. We need to see how much vaccine we have and how much vaccine we are manufacturing and how many vaccines is required. But again, I would say anybody who is eligible, anybody whose number has come, they must take the vaccine. We have seen, at the time of Delta variant also, people who had the vaccine, even if they had an infection, it was mild, and very few people require getting admitted in the hospital or getting in ICU. In UK also, if you could see, out of 1,000 patients who are getting infected with Omicron, only 6 patients are requiring hospitalization, those who are vaccinated. So vaccine do protect, and vaccine is good, and people must take it.
Okay, Dr. Rawat, thank you so much for speaking to Mirror Now. I really appreciate you joining us, sharing your insights and analysis. It's very important in these times to actually listen to the experts and not perhaps WhatsApp rumors and several other discourse that is going on that is not coming from the experts. Dr. Rawat, thank you so much for speaking to Mirror Now. Of course, remember, India is going to be rolling out the next phase of our vaccination drive with booster doses for those above the age of 60 with comorbidities, as well as healthcare workers and frontline workers.